tugas di rumah.
Ismi Muhammad Ilham, Cuming Cimoyang Satria. Jayatu Fil Fasli Awal, Wayati Suratu Kolam, Amali Mudarisun, Wa Asasu Nafsi Hoirin Nas Angkauhum Nas. Wassalam.
Jelas itu pas diawali riwayat Qur'an Qadami
masih ada dan temenin
My name is Al-Qur'an. I see on the transport. I come from Sibada. My hobby is reading book. My dream is teacher. My motto is the only way to do what you do. I'm standing here, I want to know my name is Niara Nawani. I see you on the class 3. I come from my hobby is reading book. My teacher.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Bapari Amri.
My name is Muhammad Fauzan Ajim. Hi. My nickname Fauzan. I come from Cibadak City.